How you doing?
What's going on, man?
Get your name and badge number real quick.
Yeah.
Barkley. What's your number?
Mr. Rourke.
362.
Yep, all for
Cool,
you.
thanks. What did he pull you over for? For tent?
Yep.
Let me see. Yeah, it's pretty dark. Let's check his tent. How's your tent, Barkley?
No tent.
Oh, you're good, huh? Clear in front. In California, these can be as dark as you want. You can black these out, all the back ones. But you can only have or you have to have 30%, a 30% tint, you know, on the front. I had to come see who this was, pulling people over left and right over here, man.
I'm on the traffic division, so really all
Makes
I do.
sense, huh? Kind of petty though, the tent, right?
Just giving you a 15 okay, so you've got until March to pick the windows. Based on your next round of initiative, you'll just a promise you'll either send a ticket, remove the tent, or show up to court. Oh, and yeah, make sure you have your driver's license with you. I'm not giving you a ticket on that. I was just gonna okay, grab that now. Oh, not a big deal. All right, thanks. Bye-bye. All right, Mr. Rourke.
All
Best
right,
of luck.
so thumbnail.
What was that?
You make a good thumbnail.
Give you a good thumbnail?
Yeah. All right. Say share, like, and subscribe. Speeding?
Just be real careful pulling out. I know it's hard to see. Just take it easy.
Which way you going? Back to town? Good seatbelt pull. There we go. No speeder?
Yeah.
Ah, man. This guy's on fire today, man. He's one ticket after another today. This guy's on fire today. One ticket after another after another.
Yeah, I was just trying to get caught up with my friend because I'm not from here, so we're trying to get out of here.
Right.
And he's my directions, so.
Yeah. Yeah, this time of day they're swarming.
Yeah, I'm lucky, man. I mean, what's the speed limit on this road?
It's probably 35.
35, okay.
Yeah,
I think I was
but I'm
gonna
not
do
sure.
50.
Got you for 50?
Yeah.
Allegedly.
Yeah, allegedly.
You care if I put you on camera? Is that cool?
No, you're on good.
All right. Nice bike.
I just bought it right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Yeah.
Trying. That's a mobile extortion unit. Faster, Barkley. You're missing some good ones, dude. There's some no front plates. Some expired tags. No, not him. He's going by.
Hey, you can't pull people over for expired tags anymore.
Oh, no?
No.
He just did.
Really?
A few minutes ago.
if they're within 2 months, you can't pull.
Oh, I didn't really notice how expired they were.
Yeah, if they're 2 months or less,
Right.
you can't.
Right.
Well, just for that sole reason. But if you're like speeding or something, obviously you can still get ticketed for it.
Right. Your hand's cramping up, huh, Barkley?
Oh, why?
You're writing so slow, man.
Slow.
Hey, Mr. Cassidy, is it a Kawasaki?
Yamaha.
Yeah, you know.
You can like bid or something.
No, that's all right. Like I said, I appreciate you being cool. Unfortunately, you get a speeding ticket. Please sign the X, not admission. Gil, just a promise that either pay the ticket or show up.
Didn't appreciate it that much. Fight your tickets, always. Always fight them. Especially a new bike. You're gonna have a lot of them.
Yeah.
You have a lot of tickets.
I'm not from here though. I have to come back here for court.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Sac.
Yeah.
So.
Well, you got a nice ride between here and Sac, man. Just come out the River Road.
Oh my God,
I know how it
I
is,
have a
though.
key for this. I don't even have it. It's whatever.
All right, man. Have a good day. Good luck.